And now let's do the same for the pectoralis major. Remember that we said it's kind of a folding fan. So let's start by doing the the clavicular portion. Yeah. So I'm gonna use the clavicle to extract this, and remember that we separated the clavicle in 3 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, and this first one will be for the deltoid, anterior portion of the deltoid, and those two will be the origin for the pectoralis major. But remember that fossa, we have it here, so leave it an empty space, and then after you can use this, oh wait, blue and extract your clavicular portion just like this. Okay, so let's do it. I'm gonna use this, a mask like so, and hit extract. Yeah, doesn't matter how it is exactly, I just will use this polygroup here, and now grab it around here. But notice that we extracted the lowest. I think the clavicle is with the normal flipped, so let's undo it here. Okay, we don't have it. Let's go back for the clavicular first, and let me see. No, it's not flipped. Yeah, that's okay. Sorry for confusing you guys, but yeah, I'm gonna do a Dynamesh for this. But you know, by doing this method of extracting, I feel that it's easier to place the fibers, its origin and insertion, you know, because it goes more straight when we are drawing and grabbing the volume like this. But one thing that I would have to say is this muscle comes from like above the clavicle. So one thing that we can realize is how strong are the character, how stronger, less clavicle it will be possible to see, you know, because the chest muscle is above the clavicle. So if the clavicle, the clavicle portion, notice how we have a volume like here, you know, just like this. Okay, so let's do a Dynamesh here. I'm gonna use my interface just to be easier. Here I'm gonna paint as red. Don't forget to leave an empty space, but this we can check again when it goes by doing the deltoids. Okay. After we're gonna have to raise this a little bit more, I think, but let's first do the others portion, and then we can adapt everything. Right? This is the clavicular portion, so the sternal portion comes from this region. Let me make a better separation. Yeah. And then grab this. And place it where it needs to be. Let me add some divisions here with the slice curve, just to have a better way to push this, to pull on over the surface like that. Okay. But you know, for this the best way would be, let me check, to make this doing kind of a torsion, you know, just as if it was like that way. But let's leave it like this at first, because if not, it's gonna be harder to understand, I think. Too many information. Here we're gonna do a mirror weld because, yeah, it was, I don't know, maybe flipped. I'm not sure what was happening. Here I'm subdividing, so I already have some fibers definition. All right, and for the last, let's make that abdominal part. I'm gonna accept, click on the polygroup, and let's position on its right insertion point. I'm not sure if this is the right. If I check it double, yeah. Here I'm adding some cuts with my slice, with the slice curve, just to bring it some curvature. And it actually goes underneath everything right here. Yeah, so this will be the pectoralis muscle and its origin and insertion. Okay. Let's add some fibers looking. Okay, guys, and let's do the same for this one and add some fibers looking. So this way you can understand the directions for the fibers and everything of the pecs muscle. And at least this abdominal part. Okay, and here into this part, what is missing is the triangle that we said we see in here, this triangle in the middle. All right, so let's correct this. Let me do one side for each time. Here. And now I can do a mirror and weld. Okay, we have some divisions. Let's delete and then mirror and weld. All right. We just have it. We were working on a flipped side, flipped face. Okay, I don't care. Let's mirror and weld again. What's this? No. Let's delete. I think we have some flipped. Yeah. Now reapproximating then and giving a little bit more volume. Good. Once again, the fibers direction. All right. And notice once again the cross section. All right. Okay, good. Now I think we have to do the serratus anterior, which is a muscle which goes here under the shoulder blade. All right, and connects on the rib cage. And after we can try some muscles in the back and then the deltoids. All right, so let's do it.